Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by slicing 1.5 2 lb yellow onions thinly so they cook evenly. Heat 2 tablespoon neutral oil with 1 tablespoon vegan butter in a wide, heavy pan over medium heat. Add 1 tsp salt now. It draws moisture and speeds caramelization. Stir every 5-7 minutes, scraping fond from the bottom. Once edges turn translucent, lower heat slightly to avoid burning. This slow, patient browning is how you build deep, sweet flavor that will define the soup. Once the onions are deep brown, pour 1/2 cup dry white wine or sherry to deglaze and lift those caramelized bits. That's concentrated flavor. Add 6 cups vegetable broth, 2 tablespoon miso for savory depth, a bay leaf and a few thyme sprigs, then bring to a gentle simmer. Let it reduce 20-30 minutes so flavors marry. Skim foam if needed. Near the end, whisk in 2 tablespoon nutritional yeast to round out the profile and enhance the cheesy. Ladle the simmered soup into oven-proof bowls, then place a toasted baguette slice on top and cover with grated vegan cheese or a cashew-based melt. Put bowls under a hot broiler until the cheese bubbles and browns. Watch closely because it goes fast. Once done, let cool a few minutes before serving. If the soup tastes bitter or flat, simmer uncovered to reduce harshness. Add a small pinch of sugar or a tiny pinch of baking soda to neutralize excess acidity. Adjust salt to finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.